Facility is 85,000 square feet, over 180 employees. We operate 18 to 20 hours a day, 5 days a week. The Walser Automotive Group averages 35,000 new and pre-owned sales annually, which is why we have the largest reconditioning facility in the upper Midwest. It's actually our commitment to quality that our customers appreciate when buying a used car. Our process involves up to 35 stages that each vehicle must pass through before we see it online or on the lot. We use a unique reconditioning software for this process that keeps older vehicles on top of the list, ultimately reducing time within the cycle. The process starts with a detailed 150-point mechanical and visual inspection to see if it meets Walser standards. If it does, we replace all components that need to be replaced. Once repaired mechanically, we push the vehicle through a strict exterior reconditioning process. Services like PDR, alloy wheel repair, windshield repair or replacement, paint booth, paint touch-ups, and buffing. We even perform interior trim repair if there is damage. Then our team begins a detail process. The inside is thoroughly cleaned and scrubbed because we want our customers to drive a vehicle as close to new as possible. We take pride in our process. Once a vehicle has gone through all stages of reconditioning, we have one final inspection. If for any reason we miss something, if we aren't happy with that vehicle's appearance, we send it back to fix the issue. Top to bottom, inside and out, everything on a pre-owned vehicle from Walser gets our attention. We are the Walser Automotive Reconditioning team, and we hope you love your used car. People love a clean used car, and we achieve that for them.